Hi, my name is Dominic. I am the first opposition speaker. My group consists of Joshua, the second speaker, Devi, the third speaker, Grace, the final speaker, Hussaina and Lokyu, who will be consolidating the research. Regarding the issue of cloning, for now is unneeded due to overpopulation and shortage of food, which is what the first population speaker had mentioned earlier. I would like to propose a different opinion. In particular to the issue of overpopulation. Overpopulation is just a cycle of evolution, which is nothing short of natural. For instance, overpopulation will most likely lead to mass extinction, and we know that mass extinction have happened in the past, even when there's no human intervention, which means that any mass extinction happening in the future as a result of overpopulation could well be also unrelated to human intervention. Thus, I do not agree that cloning is unneeded due to overpopulation. Moreover, if there's a real problem of human giving too many children, why is it that our Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong is urging Singaporeans to get married young and give birth to babies? Not only Singapore government is doing that, even the world's largest population, China, the Chinese government is also urging their people to give birth to at least two and not stop at one. Next, regarding to the shortage of food mentioned by the first population speaker, I will touch on it as I go on. Now, to my topic, I would like to introduce to you some of the potential application of cloned animals. Firstly, using reproductive cloning, it enables researchers to make copies of animals with the potential benefits for the fields of medicine and agriculture. For instance, the same Scottish researcher who cloned Dolly have cloned other sheep that have been genetically modified to produce milk that contains a human protein essential for blood clotting. The hope is that someday this protein can be purified from the milk and given to humans whose blood does not clot properly. Moreover, cloning can be used to breed livestock with leaner or higher grade meats. This means that more nutrition and tastier food for consumers. Based on researchers, the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA in short) decided in January 2008 that meat and milk from cloned animals such as cattle, pig, and goats are as safe as those from non-cloned animals. The PDA action means that researchers are now free to use cloning methods to make copies of animals with desirable agricultural traits, such as high milk production or lean meat. Hence, I would like to relate to the issue of mention about shortage of food. With genetic cloning of animals, humans will not only receive sufficient amount of foods from conventional animals or cloned animals, but humans will also get to consume healthier foods from those cloned animals. Secondly, another possible use of cloned animals is for biomedical research, testing new drugs and treatment strategies. The great advantage of using cloned animals for drug testing is that they are all genetically identical, which means their responses to drugs should be uniform rather than variable as seen in animals with different genetic makeups. Thirdly, an application is to clone endangered species of animals. This will help prevent them from extinction. In 2003, an endangered type of ox called the banteng was successfully cloned. Soon after, 3 African wildcats were cloned using frozen embryons as a source of DNA. It is human activities that has driven some species of animals to the brink of extinction. Isn't it our responsibility to make sure that they don't go extinct? In conclusion, relating to the principle of double effect, the action of genetic cloning of animals should be performed as it has the intention to bring about a positive effect. Cloning of animals will provide humans with more foods and restore the decreasing number of species close to extinction. Therefore, I strongly agree that genetic cloning of animal species is not ethically problematic and should not be banned.